What up, home skillets?
What is up?
Cha.
My name is Alex.
My name is Doria.
What? No.
And we're here to do a reaction for y'all. We're reacting to 4 Minute Cold Rain. It's a cold one.
The winter spirit has come and blessed us with this ballad of the females, and I'm excited to see what their second song is. I'm going to say that before this one. Not that I'm not excited for this one, because they've never actually released a ballad as a single, which is very interesting. Because 4 Minute is not really a ballad kind of group.
Yeah.
So I'm very interested to see how this is going to go, you know?
Yeah.
And for all you people out there saying that they're copying Beast's strategy, why the hell that bad thing? Beast's the best, okay?
And they're the brothers. Yeah, sister group. Hello.
Exactly. So
stop that, haters. Stop it.
On that note, let's listen to them vocals.
Let's enjoy these vocals. She looks like fake for a second. I was like,
oh, yeah, it's real. So it's good.
So good.
So it's beautiful. Love her nails.
Oh, that's a cool thing.
Oh my gosh. It's fur.
That's some fur.
Oh, Matt. Wow, it's not. What is that? Is that hen's chin?
완벽해 내 팔을 쓰다듬던 너의 두 손 문신처럼 새겨놓은 널 닮은 사람 끝까지 뭐라고 내가 울어야 돼 너란 게 뭐라고 힘들고 지쳐야 돼 하는 만큼 네가 너무 보고 싶어 보고 싶은 만큼 내가 미워 내리는 이 빗물에 주저앉아 울먹이죠
dramatic. Oh, they're not standing in the rain in the fur. They're trying to ruin life? She's not getting wet.
I think it's around here.
What the hell? Me too. I'm like, child, this is fur. I avert the rain as well. Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, warm thinking now.
Is the belly top warm?
Wait, yeah. Oh, good arm up.
We'll get the doodle. Is it skirt warm? Warm and a belly top. Kevin, I won't leave that if you can't. I'll stay.
So pretty.
Hey. Oh, my dears. My dear 4 Minute. It's okay, girls. I will not leave you. We'll stay.
I just want to know how many times it took for them to get that actual good shot of the water falling down the glass and them being behind it. It's just like, how many times did it take for you to pour down the water just right and for them to be like, you look beautiful, I can't see your face, it's a blur, what the hell? And all that. But yeah, it's artistic. I saw the artisticness behind it.
It was a really gorgeous video. It was, you were like, whoa.
I want the
And those
piercing,
outfits were
yeah.
like, yeah.
The other one.
I like her nails. No, not her. It was her nails that I noticed, and then I was like, oh, those rings that she had.
Those big rings.
Yeah, those big rings. They look really nice. People should wear more big rings. Just tell them now. But I like her rings too.
Can they pop?
No, they're nice anyway.
Right,
You have every kind of ring.
I have every kind of ring.
Look at that.
I'm
Collection.
every ring. Okay.
Anyway,
I
I really liked those notes that, with their names, the one who did all those cool notes did. Not they weren't like big notes, but
cool. Which one?
you know in the chorus where she does the like, and then somebody else like sing raps the other part.
I know what you're talking about.
Can't
Yeah.
live without you. That part.
Yeah, but then the note she does in between each one of those.
Okay. That.
Yeah, that thing. Yeah.
I think that was the main girl. I knew their names the other
I'm
day.
sorry.
I lost it.
Oh, did
Honestly,
you learn
I'm
that?
still
I
learning their
did, but I
names.
lost them.
I'm still learning their
She got
names.
you.
I know Hyuna
Maybe.
because I watch Hyuna the most, but like I know all their faces. I just can't say that.
Let me tell you about how beautiful my girl Hyuna was. Like,
I think we can agree that everyone here is biased in this group is Hyuna.
yeah, she's the only one we all know her name right now, so we're gonna work on that
Be
though.
bad people.
We'll work
sorry.
on it.
Yeah. We'll get it down before their main release, single release. Yes.
Okay.
Wait. Thank you, young ladies.
Yeah, it was really beautiful. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like how like the song was good, but I don't know how like repeatable it is. You know, like I don't know if I'm gonna have it just like on repeat, but I'm probably gonna download it and listen to it a couple
can
times.
snap.
You know,
I wasn't snapping. I was
If you could though.
it was very beautiful though, and it was very like yes. And I'm glad there's another song because I feel like if this was the one title track, it would be like
This is kind of boring. Well,
yeah,
no,
it'd
there's
be
only
like that
so
new
far.
Rihanna single, you know, where you're
There's
just like,
only so
it's
far-
good, but is there not more?
There's only so far I can go with a ballad.
Yeah, but like Beast 1230 was like the shit, you know.
I like
And that's a
fiction.
ballad. Yeah, Beast do them ballads, they're like, oh, this is a ballad, but they give you that jam.
Anyways,
Good
4
with
minute.
that.
I love you. Really excited for your next comeback. This was gorgeous, and I'm really happy. And that you guys are on your grown woman tip.
Yeah.
Getting that ballad in.
Glad you're actually getting some songs out this year.
Yeah.
Do it, Cube.
Do it, Cube.
Get it.
Anyway,
Get
this one, is it actual Cube or one of the branches?
No,
No,
it's
they're
Cube.
actual
The direct Cube. So please subscribe, like, and comment. And we'll see you in the next
You
video.
think of the money with they
We'll
making
see
on this shit?
you. Yeah, I know, they're like almost top tier, you know.
Goodbye.
Bye.
늘 돌리고